guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. From this video we are starting functions of numpy. Now in the last video we have seen with the help of arrange function how to create the array of the elements of your desired size. Okay, so if suppose you want to create an array of 5 elements, you can simply write 5 and the elements will be 0 to 4. Now we'll see the functions. First is a zeros function. Okay, if you are calling a function np.zeros and just mention the size over here, suppose you are writing 10, so it will create an array of 10 elements with all zeros. So it will create like 0 0 0 0 10 times. Okay, so this will be the output of this function. Now next is arrange we know, so it will create array of 20 elements starting with 0, so from 0 to 20. Now if suppose I don't want the array to start with 0 and end with we can mention, but I don't want to start with 0, I want to start with some other number. So here we have one more option over here in this function. So we have to just input the parameters arrange np.arrange and just assign it to some array. A equals to np.arrange start. If suppose I want to start with 5 and I want to end with suppose 20, so what will be here 0 to 19. Okay, so what will be the array output for this one? 5 6 up to 19. Okay, so this will be the array. Now if suppose I don't want the continuous numbers, I want to have the jump of a specific number in between. Okay, so that time if suppose I am taking here again 5 20 and with the jump of 2, so what will be the output over here? 5 then with the jump of 2 7 9 then up to 19. Okay, understood this one. Now next is range function. Range function will actually not allocate memory for any elements, it will simply generate the numbers and it is useful while running the loops. Okay, you want to run the loop and you want to get the numbers continuously, that time you will use range function. And suppose you want to create a list with the help of range function, we can write it like print list range of 10. So what will be the numbers here? 0 to 9. Okay, and the output will be 0 1 2 3 up to 9. So this was all about these functions. We have some more functions, attributes. Okay, we will see them in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.